Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable multipoint for your headphones Marshall Major 5. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. At the device list you need to click at the settings icon or information icon near to your headphones. Now scroll down and right here we have multipoint. I check it on two Android devices and it's available on Pixel and on Realme. I don't know about all Android devices, I cannot check it, sorry. But for these two it's available. As you can see I have it. And it's not available on Apple devices, so you cannot find it at the settings on your iPhone. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background, and to disable it, you need to also tap on it one time, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.